के मासूम जो शहीद हो रहे हैं उनसे अल्लाह की मुलाकात होगी, दुनिया में उन पर क्या बीती इस पर भी बात होगी। खुदारा अपने मासूमों को तलकीन कीजिएगा कि वो अल्लाह से हमारी शिकायत ना करे, बल्कि अल्लाह से ये दरख्वास्त करे कि वो हमारे जैसे कमजोर ईमान वालों को ताकत अता करे, क्योंकि हम भूले हुए हैं।
मोदी की मां का कसम, राफेल मारा गया है, बुरी तरह से मारा गया, माफ कीजिएगा जिसे कोई अखलाकियात इस वक्त नजर आ रही है, मुझे तो नहीं आ रही।
5 मकामात पर निशाना बनाया गया है। इसमें कोटली है, अहमदपुर शर्किया है, मुजफ्फराबाद है, बाग है, मुरीद के है।
और इसमें भारत की तरफ से पाकिस्तान की 9 साइट्स पर 9 ऐसी जगह हैं जहां पर हमला किया है।
मदरसे के बच्चों को शहीद किया गया है, मदरसों को और मस्जिदों को शहीद किया गया है।
भारत ने अहमदपुर शर्किया बहावलपुर में ये मस्जिद सुभान अल्लाह इस पर हमला किया।
ये एयर स्ट्राइक्स हैं, इंडिया ने ये एयर स्ट्राइक्स की हैं, ये फजाई हमला है इंडिया की तरफ से।
इस वक्त तमाम तरह जो पाकिस्तान के दरियाओं के ऊपर डैम्स बनाएंगे, मिसाइल स्ट्राइक करने चाहिए, उन्हें उड़ाना चाहिए।
There are casualties including women and children. The detailed damage assessment is being done and Pakistan has a right to respond.
उन प्लेसेस को निशाना बनाया गया है जहां पर यह कहा जा रहा है कि मसूद अजहर और हाफिज सईद के ठिकाने हैं।
The Indian armed forces say that altogether 9 sites have been targeted, that they haven't hit any Pakistani military facilities. These are terrorist camps.
Very clear, there are no terrorist camps in Pakistan. Pakistan is a victim of terrorism.
Can I just point out to you, on my program just a week ago, your Defence Minister Khwaja Asif admitted that Pakistan has for decades had a policy of funding, backing and using terrorist.
ये जी भावलपुर के अंदर ये लोग सड़कों पे निकल चुके हैं इस टाइम, और सारे मदरसे खाली करवा लिए हैं लोगों ने। मदरसों के सारी शाखें खाली हो गई हैं। ये पूरा रेवड़
खाली करा लिए होंगे सारे भाई।
The detailed damage assessment is being done and Pakistan has a right to respond. Pakistan will respond. As I've said before, we had an apprehension that India will attack. Pakistan has never struck first, but we have the right to self-defense. And the way civilians have been targeted, and I have pictures and images of women and children who are badly injured in hospital. So civilian localities, accommodations, and a mosque which has been attacked. There were no terrorist camps. I myself took foreign journalists and local journalists to an area near the line of control where India had alleged that there are terrorist camps. You see, we are the frontline state against terrorists. How can we...
I'm just going to pick up on a couple of points, Mr. Atollah Tarar. You said that you've already received images of women and children who have been injured. This attack took place roughly about an hour or so ago. Will you be taking international and local journalists to the sites? Because in the past, when Pakistan has made such claims, they haven't allowed any journalists...
I'll stop you right there. I had planned to take them tomorrow morning. We had a plane ready. We had reached out to journalists. We had a confirmed itinerary, a confirmed plan to go to Bahawalpur tomorrow. And I was supposed to fly to Bahawalpur at 7 a.m. in the morning. And at around right after midnight, India has carried out these attacks. So we were going to Muridke, we were going to Bahawalpur, and we were taking 35 journalists with us, including foreign and local journalists. So I was just preparing for the visit tomorrow. As I had visited the LOC, we were going to Bahawalpur and we had to visit this exact place. And the journalists were already ready for the journey. So I think this has been a very, very, unfortunate step by India. We condemn it. We are responding. But to target civilian population, it's extremely unfortunate. And it's
Just
very,
to
very
point
shameful.
out, Minister, the Indian armed forces say that altogether 9 sites have been targeted, that they haven't hit any Pakistani military facilities. These are terrorist camps that they are hitting.
Let me make it very clear. There are no terrorist camps in Pakistan. Pakistan is a victim of terrorism. We are fighting the terrorists in our western regions, on our western borders. We are the frontline state against terrorism. We've laid down 90,000 lives in this war against terrorism. India, on the other hand, when we had the Jafar Express hijacking, an intense hijacking incident, India did not even condemn it, let alone express some concern about that incident. So India has been sponsoring terrorism by assassinating Sikhs in US, in Canada, in Australia. We captured a spy by the name of Kulbhushan Yadav, who's a commissioned
Mr.
naval
Tarar,
officer.
can I just point out to you, on my program just a week ago, your Defence Minister, Khwaja Asif, admitted that Pakistan has for decades had a policy of funding, backing and using terrorist groups as proxies in the country. In fact, in 2018, President Donald Trump cut military aid to Pakistan because he accused Pakistan of playing a double game. So when you say there are no terrorist camps in Pakistan, that is going against what General Pervez Musharraf has said, what Benazir Bhutto has said, what your defence minister said just a week ago. In fact, what Bilawal Bhutto said to me a few days ago, he said that terrorism and funding and backing terrorist organisations has been and was part of Pakistan's history.
Post 9/11, let's talk about post 9/11 scenario. And let me be very clear. Post 9/11, Pakistan was the frontline state, and we still are the frontline state in eliminating terrorism. You see, when we are the guarantors of world peace, because we are a wall between the terrorists and the rest of the world. I would like to invite you to Pakistan to come and see the circumstances.
I have been to Pakistan, sir, and we know that Osama bin Laden was also discovered in Abbottabad in Pakistan. So these accusations on Pakistan, including your defence minister making the admission, is there, and that is why part of the reason...
what the defence minister was referring to, I think he's been misinterpreted.
भारत की तरफ से एक बड़ा हमला हुआ है। इस वक्त तक हमारे पास जो खबरें आ रही हैं, जो कि हमारे पास पूरी दुनिया से इस वक्त मेरे सामने जो इंटरनेशनल मीडिया है, इंडियन मीडिया है, पाकिस्तान मीडिया है, उसमें क्या क्या कुछ कहा जा रहा है, ये हम आपके सामने रखते हैं। क्योंकि ये एक बड़ी ही इस वक्त क्रूशल सिचुएशन शुरू हो चुकी है। हम जानते हैं कि भारत ने कहा था कि वो हमला करेगा, लेकिन ये सोचा जा रहा था कि हमला अभी कुछ दिन लगेंगे। हमने भी जो अभी तक अपने तज्जिए किए उसमें हमने आपको ये बताया कि भारत की तरफ से हमला होगा, लेकिन ये जो हमला है इसको टाइम लगेगा। लगता है कि जब ये IPL ख़त्म हो जाएगा तब होगा। ऐसा लगता है कि जब तैयारी हो जाएगी, क्योंकि अभी तो ड्रिल्स स्टार्ट हुई हैं और वहाँ पर जो वो वाली ड्रिल्स थी जिसमें कि डिफेंस की ड्रिल्स वहाँ पर भारत में स्टार्ट की गई थी, तो उसके ऊपर जो है वो ये कहा जा रहा था कि अभी कुछ दिन लगेंगे, लेकिन वो कुछ दिन नहीं बल्कि सिर्फ कुछ मिनट लगे हैं।